Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to change password in your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the top right corner, you will be seeing that three horizontal lines. Tap on that. Now you will be seeing different options. Go to the option settings. Now go to the option security. Now tap on the option password which is given at the top. Now enter your current password here. Now choose new password for your Instagram account. Again, enter your new password here. Okay, password don't match. I would like to re-enter my password. After you are done, you can tap on save on that top right corner. Tap on that. You can see that my Instagram account's password has been updated. In this way, you can easily change your Instagram account's password. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.